This is part one of the 461 Pontiac Stroker engine rebuild. Here's the 69 GTO that the original engine came out of. Here's the numbers matching engine. I spent the last week taking it apart. Here's all the original components. Here's some original gaskets with the exhaust manifolds. Here's the original number 48 heads. I think that's the harmonic dampener. There's some valve covers with the guide plates. There's the original cast iron intake. There's the cast crank, and there's the timing set with the timing cover, and those are the main caps that go on the block. All this was taken apart in order to get to the original engine block. This block is going to be sent to Jim at the Central Virginia machine shop, where they're going to work their magic on it and make some modifications in order to install the Eagle Stroker kit. So that's the original 1969 block. Looks pretty dirty right now, but should look pretty nice when I get it back from the machine shop. I'll keep you posted with part two.